How to make homemade coconut oil soap in 6 easy steps. Coconut oil soap offers plenty of health benefits. It moisturizes your skin, makes it firm and clean, and prevents outbreaks. Health benefits of coconut oil. It eliminates dead skin cells. It hydrates dry skin. It keeps the skin moisturized, smooth, and healthy. It eliminates toxic matter from the body. It prevents and heals microbial infections and treats cold sores. It alleviates the pain, itch, and redness of rash. Keep reading to find out more how to prepare your own coconut oil soap in 6 steps. Homemade coconut oil soap recipe. Step number 1. Ingredients. 48 ounces of coconut oil. 48 ounces of olive oil. 22 ounces of sodium hydroxide, lye. 1/3 cup of oat bran. 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds. 9 ounces of coffee. Tools. Stainless steel thermometer. Kitchen scale. Gloves, protective eyewear, face mask. Stainless steel pot. Measuring cups and spoons. Hand blender. Mixing bowls. Stainless steel spoon. Silicone spatula. Towel. Parchment paper. Soap mold. Step number 2, measure and mix. Use a kitchen scale to measure each of the ingredients in a bowl. Make sure to do this in a well-ventilated area. Also, don't forget to wear protective clothing. You should add the sodium hydroxide into the pot with the coffee. Wait for a while so it will be completely dissolved. Set aside and remove the face mask, but not the gloves. Step number 3, emulsify. Melt the coconut oil on low heat. Then, mix it with the olive oil. Use a thermometer made from stainless steel in order to check the temperature. Make sure to adjust it to the temperature of the lye, 100 to 110 degrees. Next, mix the lye solution with the oils and emulsify with a blender. You should get a thick mixture. Then, mix it with the coffee grounds and oats with a spatula. Step number 4, pour and insulate. You should pour the mixture into a soap mold. Cover it with a parchment paper and wrap it in a towel to protect the mold. Step number 5, let sit and cut bars. Keep the mold wrapped for 24 to 48 hours. Then, you should remove the soap from it. Let the soap stay for a couple of days to harden, then you can cut it with a sharp knife. Step number 6, cure. It is recommended to keep the soap bars in a place that is well ventilated. Keep them there for a few weeks. Within this period of time, the process of saponification will end, the excess fluid will evaporate.